Which man me want for me Christmas? Tell me about party man them cheer for. Give me money come and Western Union. Fi marry big house and fancy car.
Good morning vlog. Good morning YouTube. You don't know Shickaa Chung and I'm back at it again today with Vlogmas day 10. So guys, today the plan is right now we're going out for breakfast. We're gonna bring my grandparents and my auntie for breakfast, and then we're gonna go to the beach. After, we're gonna come back home and then go on the road, and we're just gonna do all that type of stuff. So you guys are gonna see obviously what we're doing today, so stay tuned for Vlogmas day 10. Restaurant, we're gonna start ordering our foods. Although I said I didn't want our food.
Let your heart cheer you. But know it thou that after all these things, all the eating, all the merrymaking, and everything that we possess on this side of life, God shall bring us into judgment for everything that we do. So as young people, we are glad for you.
Right now, that place where the man is, but that's me and money right now. We put on coffee, blood, tea, place. Coffee and pepper. That do like hot pepper and coffee.
I would sell smoothies.
In 1 mile,
I
at the
fuck with that.
roundabout, take the second.
Alright guys, so we reached the beach. Plus bro.
What's up?
Yeah.
Who's there?
So we reached the beach. If you guys watch my river vlog, you guys see me in this exact same swimwear with the cover up. So I'm not planning to real swim because yo, last time I come here, which was long years ago, I think it was 2013, I said guys, there was a bombard shark in the water, you know. I said the shark had come to the shore, you know, and everybody was running, and me I run, my mother I run, and then there was a big wave that came with the shark, and the shark, the wave slapped my mother, and my mother dropped down for me, and I look like those washed up beach whales stuck in the sand. I'm telling you. But let me just show y'all what we're looking at right now. You don't want a picture in there? It smell raw. Like a pure fish in the water, which, yes, there's fish in the water. I forgot to put on sunscreen. Black people need sunscreen. Like, we can still, you know, get sunburns and, you know, get cancer and all of that type of stuff. So I forgot to put on sunscreen. So I'm just chilling under this umbrella. Definitely, I'm very relaxed right now. This is like very nice. Are you relaxed, cuz? Yeah.
Squash better relax.
What is it? Squash better relax?
Yeah, bro.
Alright. That's skilly. Let me tell you the joke, people. You see, when I come to the beach, I don't really like going in the water, to be honest. Like, I'm a strong swimmer. I can definitely swim. Yo, me say them bump headers are come on my chin. Yo, guys, well, sorry to cut what I was saying, but these bumps are upsetting me. But yeah.
Oh shit, this is what I think it's cool. This one I can say what.
The water is cold as hell.
That's what I was just telling them.
I got some seashells. Hold on. You can cut
Oh,
it.
me think $1 is a pickup. Me I say, yeah, if you go give me some of them.
Okay, guys, one thing about Florida, they always have some pretty seashells. So if you're a person that loves to collect seashells, Florida has the best ones. So nice. I just have to wash them off and, you know, everything good. Right now I'm listening to music in my ears. My last video was copyrighted because I guess when I was in Miami, like all those songs, so like my video is blocked in certain places in the world. I don't know exactly where. So it's best that I just listen to music in my headphones so that my videos never get copyrighted. Right now, I'll know Mr. Man not got in my water yet. I don't know where I deal with. We are deal with. I think you have to come off.
Look like I'm a shark.
What?
Look like I'm a shark if it's chuck off. I ain't going in the water.
You're the one who said that, so your boots me for going in the water.
You going in the water?
I put my foot in the water. I still go in the water.
You say water cold, when me they go in
Not
the
that cold, like when you first touch it, obviously. But then once it wash back over you, you are.
That's why I should go in there first.
So go on in there. Look for the girl that jump in there.
Good for you, I'm a big old swimmer.
So you're not swimmer? Okay, I'm all like jump in a skip wave. Go on in the water, man. Just put your foot in.
Wow.
Watch mama all the way out there so swim. Like you want to swim, go Cuba. Go in, look how far you might go. Watch out. Cuba in my head for you know. Cuba in my head for. Disappear. Now we're going in the water together. After them see me time and chew me asleep. I see me sleep too much. But yo, the sun of the ocean just feels nice. Oh, it's cold. Wow. How? Eh? That's why I said the current is very hard right here. So not the current, but the wave them strong in a this beach. Yeah. By the way, I don't know if I told you guys, this is Jensen Beach in Martin County, Florida. Yo, the water cold still. Watch a big wave here. A wave here big, you see? Watch a. What? A pure shell under my foot, man. A pure shell under my foot. that wave right the song come. What's Yo, I want to knock you over, man. You not go further in it, so I'm not going further. Where's how I have my phone? Look at that wave. Because yo, I want yo. How you feel? I know, that's what I told you. And yo, right just so rough, you know. Right just so mixing up, it rough your fat. Watch seashell, guys. That's a lot of seashell. Me now make your boots me. So you have to try boots me, watch there. I can swim, but me not go in there. I tell you, so this is water, you're too deep. It's like the water wants to get rough, man. Look all the way over there. You can surf on that water. So, literally, as you guys seen, I was on the chair and the umbrella. Apparently, you have to rent those. I was well falling asleep. Like, I never knew that you had to rent them. So the lady just run me. Anyways, I'm ready. I'm tired. I'm ready to go bathe and hit the road. So I am about to leave the beach. I think Devante went to a restaurant. But I love her food. Who walks like that? I don't walk like that, but I walk like champion. What do you mean I shake when I walk? So, if you drag my foot, I not drag my foot. I don't know if you drag my foot. I not drag my foot up backside. I don't feel lift up my foot and walk people. But I'll drag my foot I go. After my foot not heavy. Yeah. Oh, that's so me wow. Big body jaguar.
Not even on the car too, like you know.
Not even look on him. I'm married. I don't look at no niggas.
If I'm like you take that off your thing. Because when you talk about you married a man, I can't say it so like that. I'm in the car today.
I'm gonna change off my bottoms and put on back what I was wearing earlier. So, alright guys, so we reached back home. Devante said he's tired, and I'm kind of tired and exhausted too. So I'm just gonna check on my schoolwork that I need to finish. Take a little nap, then we're back on the road. Okay guys, so I decided to end off the vlog right now. I'm actually where I said I was gonna come this evening. I already started vlogging like where I'm at, but it's gonna make this vlog too long, so I'm just gonna do this for tomorrow's vlog. Anything that I did today, I'm doing for tomorrow's vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little beach trip and little breakfast stuff. So make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you comment anything that you liked in this video, as well as any ideas for any other videos you want to see by me. And yeah, stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 11. Bye guys.